Blueberries and brain power, separating fact from fiction.
Blueberries are often called a superfood, especially for brain health. You may have heard claims that eating blueberries can improve memory, sharpen focus, or fight cognitive decline. But do these small berries really have a big impact on the brain, or is it just a health myth? Let's look at what science actually says.
What's inside a blueberry?
Blueberries are rich in antioxidants called flavonoids, particularly anthocyanins. These compounds are believed to protect brain cells from oxidative stress and inflammation. Lab studies suggest flavonoids may help communication between brain cells and protect against some aging effects. But can eating blueberries regularly really translate to noticeable benefits for memory or thinking skills?
Research on blueberries and memory.
Several studies have explored the link between blueberries and memory or cognitive function. Some small human studies, mostly on older adults, suggest that eating blueberries or blueberry juice may modestly improve some aspects of memory and learning. However, these effects tend to be slight, and larger, long-term studies are still needed to confirm these findings.
Important caveats and limitations.
While blueberry studies show promise, they have limitations. Many studies are short-term, involve few participants, or use concentrated blueberry extracts instead of whole fruit. Eating blueberries will not produce dramatic changes in intelligence or instantly boost performance. Lifestyle factors like overall diet, exercise, and sleep play a much larger role in brain health.
The verdict: should you eat blueberries for brain health?
Blueberries are a nutritious addition to a balanced diet and may offer some brain benefits over time. However, the current research does not support bold claims or miracle effects. Enjoying blueberries as part of varied, healthy eating habits is smart, but there's no magic food for memory. Good brain health is built on many healthy choices over time.